Good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to come on here and do a how-to video on cleaning a dishwasher. There are a few steps that you do have to take before you can clean it, and I want to show this. I am not cleaning it, so if I don't have anything on there, it's just gonna spring up again. And so right now, I'm just putting that down there. I took the bottom rack off. It's over behind me. And this one, you would think that it doesn't come out because of this. Okay, but it does actually. So I'm going to show you how to take that out. Let's pull this out. Okay. If you notice, I've got this one out. I was able to get this one out, and then I still have this one in here. So we're gonna take this one off. So I want to show you so you can do it at home. Okay. If you see these clips, let's put that back in there. Okay. If you see these clips on the outside, so you would think that this has something to do with it, but I'm going to say no. So you're going to take these clips. There we go. You're going to take these clips and just move it. Okay. And now I have both of them down here. So this means that I can, and be very careful when you do this, you can take it out. Now I'm just going to sit this on the floor for now. So there was a washer blade, that's what I call it. There was a washer blade. So there's a washer blade at the bottom and there's a washer blade at the top. So up here where the top rack was, and then down here in that center part right there. So we took both of the blades out. We took this centerpiece, the half moon out, and I took I don't know what you call it. I just took this ring out. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to dry this all up because there's no way that I can clean. I don't want to clean with all this dirty water. So the first thing that we're going to do is take the water out. Okay, so now we have this dry. It's completely dry in the hole. So now the next thing that we're going to do is I want to start from top to bottom, left to right. And I'm going to use the Barkeeper's Friend. I like that. I just like it. I also use the pink stuff sometimes. And if you look down here at the heater, you'll see the hard water, it's just coming off. So we're going to take care of that also. So I'm going to start covering this with Barkeeper's Friend.